It's time to rethink revenue. Want to talk about continuous improvement for sales and marketing? Here's why manufacturers love us. Let's go. So within my professional networks and my customer base, I get a lot of questions about who my favorite type customers are. As we all know, niches get the riches. We fit really, really nicely within the manufacturing vertical. We developed the lead machine. There's some fundamental pieces involved in marketing strategy that leads ultimately to sales success. The idea here is drawing out a strategic approach to the way information is going to flow and designing a full feedback loop so that you can predict those people that are going to come to your website, those people that convert on the contact forms, and then send their information in as proof of engagement. Within the manufacturing perspective, the idea of predictable outcomes is really, really important. If we add a database that we can contain a bunch of information in, namely account and contact information, and consistently be adding more contacts and more accounts to that database while we apply outreach through a very specific set of steps, we get a failure rate. Manufacturing understands this. So if you look at the lead machine, it's really just a full feedback loop with predictable outcomes. If you put 10,000 people in here and work it through a sequence, namely LinkedIn, Facebook advertising, emails, videos on YouTube, leading to your website, add a little bit more value on the website and get them to buy in some way, shape, or form, the call to action leads to an email address as payment for a PDF, white paper, an ROI calculator, another video, perhaps a webinar series that you're creating. You just need an asset. So for more on this, I'm Mark Perrone with Rethink Revenue, where we discover, disrupt, and rethink the way business is done. We'd love to hear from you. Drop some comments down below, give us a like, and subscribe. Good fortune.